Hi students, how are you? Hope you all well. Okay, we are learning our first lesson, reflection of light at curved surfaces. No, in this lesson, you already learned about reflection of light by spherical mirrors, that is concave mirror and convex mirrors. No, and also about the terms pole, center of curvature, focal length, principal axis. Okay, and also you learned about finding the focal length of concave mirror. Now we are going to learn about our lab activity. What is that? Formation of images when concave mirror is placed on principal axis at various places. Okay, we will do this lab activity. Right. Yes, students, what we learned? When parallel rays are incident on a concave mirror, on reflection, they meet at the focus. Do we get an image with a concave mirror at the focus every time? No, not at all. For this, we will do one activity. Okay. Aim of this activity is observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the mirror. For this activity, we need some material. It is a concave mirror, non-focal length, and one candle, V stand, 1 meter scale. Okay, for measuring distance of object and mirror. And this is what is this? It is screen. White paper is, I am using this as a screen. Okay. Procedure: place the concave mirror on V stand, arrange a candle and meter scale on a straight line, that is we can say principal axis. Okay, I am placing this candle. Candle is nothing but object at where? At the distance of 30 centimeter. Why? Focal length of concave mirror is 20 centimeters. So center of curvature is 40 centimeters. Now I am lightening the candle. See this? So in the middle, it is the object is kept at middle of F and C, that is at 30 centimeters between F and C. Okay, we will observe the images. For better result, if we do in dark place, we will get better result. That's why I'm switch off the lights. Okay, yes, see the image of candle. Here I'm getting the image, but it is blur, so I am moving the screen, that is white paper, to front and back, where we are getting a clear image. So here I am getting a clear image, that is at a distance of 50 centimeters, that means beyond C. Nature of this image is, it is real and inverted and enlarged, big image. Why it is real? I am getting this one on a screen. Now I am moving this candle at a different place. So for second case, I am placing the object at 40 centimeters on C, at center of curvature. So now observe where we get the image. See? Yes, here only. That means on the same distance we are getting the image, and the image size is also same. It is also real and inverted. If we kept object on C, we get image also on C. This is second situation. And third situation, object placed beyond C at 50 centimeters. See where we get the image? Here No, here we are not getting. And this side, see, yes, here, no. Observe it carefully. Okay, yes, here we are getting, see the image, no, a small image, inverted image and real image. It found at what distance is 35 centimeters. That means between F and C. It is also real inverted image and small image. Okay, yes, this one is between F and C. Now the candle is, I am moving candle very far to mirror, that is, we can say infinity case. If object is kept at infinity, where we got image, we get image at focal point. No, focal point means focal length of this concave mirror is 20 centimeters. We already known about this one. So see the image, yes, a point size image. See, it is very, very clearly appearing now, a point size image. At what distance? Yes, it is exactly on 20 centimeters. We cannot say its natures because it is point size image. We can say only it is a real image. Now, keep the candle at 20 centimeters. That means on focal point. Where we get image? We get image at infinitive. Infinitive means we can't say any comments, that means nature of images. Okay, but here we are getting one image because it is a candle. No, yes. Now the last case, it is very special case. I kept object, that is candle, at between P and F, pole and focal point. Here I am getting image inside of concave mirror, not on screen. It is virtual image because we cannot get this image on screen. It is virtual, erected and enlarged. That means very big image. See that in mirror, how it is appearing? Erected. Erected means straight image. No? That's why we can say it is a special case. It is a virtual image. So we can say that we found different images at different places. No? Yes. Note down these readings and fill that table 1 and table 2 in your textbooks. Okay, for your information, some more information, see that page number 17, the table also. Okay, yes.